Commonwealth's attorney for Bath, Menifee, Rowan, and Montgomery counties could be suspended. Today, a petition was filed seeking that after allegations he promised a defendant favors in exchange for nude photos and videos of her. Our Lee Searcy has more on the swift response in this LEX 18 Investigates.
Less than a week after it came to light that Commonwealth's attorney Ronnie Goldie may have helped a woman in her criminal cases in exchange for nude pictures and videos of her, the Kentucky Bar Association is seeking to get him suspended by the Kentucky Supreme Court. The Inquiry Commission authorized the KBA to file this petition for temporary suspension. Last week, LEX 18 obtained the 230 pages of Facebook messages in question between Goldie and the woman. One from June of 2018 indicates the two messaged about warrants the woman had. Goldie allegedly saying, "You owe me big time." Why, she wrote. The judge is about to withdraw some warrants. In another conversation, she asked if Goldie can continue her court date so she wouldn't get an arrest warrant. He allegedly replied, "I'm still waiting on those videos, remember? I can see what I can do." The petition cited a story by the Courier-Journal, which first reported the allegations. Some Commonwealth's attorneys we talked to have called on Goldie to resign.
And it's really just something we can't tolerate. So I believe Mr. Goldie should step down. He should spare us all the embarrassment.
The petition states Goldie abused his office and the trust of the public, adding his conduct shows a clear lack of fitness to practice law in Kentucky and much less represent the Commonwealth in serious criminal matters. In conclusion, the Inquiry Commission asked for an order, quote, as soon as possible, saying Goldie poses a substantial threat of harm to his clients or to the public. As of this afternoon, the Kentucky Supreme Court has not issued an order. The allegations against Goldie surfaced in the criminal case against former Circuit Court Judge Beth Mays, who Goldie is scheduled to testify against in her upcoming trial. Thomas Clay is Mays' attorney.
We certainly are interested in anything that might call into question his credibility.
Goldie has not responded to our repeated requests for comment. Lee Searcy, LEX 18 News.